Welcome to EDU World Space.
Problem 3.84. In this problem, a vertical force P is acting at point A and we have to find equivalent force couple system at point B in first part of the problem. So let's start with the first part. So we have to calculate equivalent force since only one force is acting at point P and we are considering the sign convention. In this direction the x-axis to be positive and in this direction y-axis to be positive, so P is minus 30 j cap acting at point A and we have to shift this force at point B. So for point B the equivalent reaction will be minus 30 j cap because only one force is acting on this system. Now if we talk about the moment, that is equivalent moment about point B, so we can draw line of action of this force and we can see from geometry that perpendicular distance between the line of action of the force that is passing through the point A will have a distance of 5 inch from point B. So moment about point B is going to be 30 multiplied by 5 pond inch, and if we go for its direction, so it is going to cause a counterclockwise couple. So moment about point B, so equivalent moment about point B will be 150 pound inch counterclockwise. Now in second part they are asking that this moment that is acting at point B should be replaced by two horizontal forces acting at point B and C. So let's say two forces, one force at B is acting in this direction and at C it is acting in this direction. So P, let's say its magnitude is, we can write it as F and here also F. So this two horizontal force couple will must cause the same moment that is caused at point B. So if we calculate the moment because of this force system, that will be F multiplied by the perpendicular distance between them. So in equivalent system the moment will be F multiplied by 3, and if we go for the direction it is going to cause clockwise couple. Alright, and this must be equal to moment that is going to that is already present at point B in equivalent system, and that was 150 pound inch in anti-clockwise direction. So if we remove this signs of counterclockwise and clockwise, so we can write it as minus 5 F into 3 is equals to 150. So force comes out to be minus 50 Newton. Sorry, the problem in this problem the unit of the force is pound, so minus 50 pound. Now what does this minus sign indicates? This minus sign indicates that the direction that I have assumed at point B and C should be in opposite direction. So force at point B should be 50 pound in left direction and force at point C should be 50 pound in right direction. So this is the answer for the second part.